సారీ సెషన్ రికార్డ్ చేద్దాం మొదటి నుంచి. సో చూడండి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఎక్కడ టచ్ అయిందండి 89కి. అంటే మనం బేరిష్ గ్యాన్ బేరిష్ అండ్ గ్యాన్ బులిష్ లైన్ టచ్ చేసింది. ఇక్కడ సస్టైన్ అయితే ఇఫ్ ఇట్ సస్టైన్స్ అబౌవ్ దట్ దెన్ విల్ గో, ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ యూ more results. But if at all if you follow this particular, in this session I explained you how to use my GAN bullish and bearish levels as well as Fibonacci levels. These are so useful and we can trade using them. For example, in Nifty, GAN bullish level is this, or GAN bullish level was here 2380 and bearish is 2339. So these two lines are enough for that. I have been telling you the same. So there was no red candle below this, hence we treat this as bullish market, bullish. No. So this is above. There was a green candle. You can use it in 3 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. So these are automatically plotted, and manual Fibonacci levels are also. I have taken the manual Fibonacci levels. If you look at this, the manual Fibonacci level is this, and auto Fibonacci level is also the same. You can see that. Okay, this is the auto Fibonacci level. When it went up, came down and retraced here and went up. So these two lines are very, very important for us, Fibonacci and GAN bullish and GAN bearish, for everything. But not only this. See, let me show you this. Here, what did I say? It will go and touch this, and if it retraces, we have to book our profits. So this is our auto Fibonacci level. You can see my auto Fibonacci level, and this is also matching. Exactly, it came down, and from here it went up, and we have our profits over here. Again, if at all, if you your entry must always be here. Remember, if at all Fibonacci, if this is a green candle and crossing above that, then we could have taken a call above this, above the 23,300. Ante ikkada manaki it is around 90 rupees. But we have already got our movement that is enough for the day. Like from around, see, let me calculate this. From here to here, we got around 25 points in Nifty, which is good enough for a small trader. And if at all if you want more, you can multiply your lots and trade. But this is our stop loss, so we can take as a swing low as our stop loss. So this line is nothing but of our Fibonacci level, which we have taken manually, or auto level also formed here. You can see it came down and retraced and went up. See here also the same thing happened. You can see it came down, red, first was the red candle, the high was 151, came down and retraced exactly from there, and it went up to our levels. Okay, remember, again we have high is that. See, this is so good. So auto levels are automatically plotted on that. Wait for 5 minutes and you get very good results and very good idea about these stocks. Okay, and this is Fibonacci. As I told you, there is here is some support. If at all, if it sustains about 23,200, and market will become strong bullish again. It will fill the gap. It will try to fill the gap, that is 20 up to 23,300. It might move. Okay, so that's it for the day. If at all, if you have any questions, you can chat with me in WhatsApp or personally call me. My number 949-234-0656. ఎవరికైనా ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి, అడగాలని అడగండి ప్లీజ్. సార్ మనమే కదా సార్ ఉన్నది, మనం అందరం కలిసి ఇక్కడే ట్రేడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఆల్ తెలుగు, అండ్ ఐ ఫీల్ సో. వివేక్, కోటేశ్వరరావు గారు, అల్ఫా అండ్ స్విచ్ వీరబాబు. Anyhow, thanks for your time joining this session. జాయిన్ అయినందుకు థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. రైట్, ఐఎమ్ స్టాపింగ్ మై ప్రెజెంటేషన్.